Come on. What's Keith got? You want to play cars?
Jake has never
No, you want to play with
brought a
him.
girl home before. And he told us that he had to work on Christmas.
He did?
No, Max.
Lie to your mom, Jakey. She on you.
How's Dad?
Who wants a hot toddy? I drank the first batch while I was waiting for you. So I mixed up a new one, and it should be just about ready.
Come on, Max.
Wish you could have prepared me for this. I would have packed a whole lot different.
What's up, boy?
Where's Dad?
Your father's upstairs asleep. I made these rather strong. But after all, it is late.
God.
Oh,
Rest in peace, Chuck.
Dad's home.
Alright, Max, don't break it. What has he got? The car?
don't touch that.
Yeah.
No. You can't take those off there.
Very old. And rumor
You
has
can
it
play with the
I
truck
think
and push the
it's
truck.
Sorry, Mrs.
Ready?
Cunningham.
Please call me Ann.
Do yours.
Now tell me, Brent,
Do
what
yours.
you
Do the truck.
I mean, for a living.
I'm a cocktail waitress.
Ah, that's what I said you can't do.
Waitress.
Mom.
Cannot chew the wheels off.
Enough for you?
Oh, it's the best job I ever had.
Push it, go.
You know, beats cleaning houses. Plus, it allows me to use my people skills.
People skills, good.
Mom, what do you mean Dad is fine?
Push it.
I lied to you.
Trying to
I
do it
just
with your
wanted you
foot.
for Christmas.
Look, he's standing on the car.
You
now.
deserved it. And once I had determined that, it was really
Gavin, stop moving your toes, man.
That's it. We're out of here. We're leaving.
Ah, Max.
Make
Cover
sure
his
you
toes
say
up for
goodbye
me,
to your
Aunt. Thank
sister
you.
And brother-in-law
Come here, Max.
and, of course,
Come here, Max.
Here, buddy.
that's Jake's niece, Brandy.
Boy.
And your father. It meant so much to him that you were finally coming home for Christmas after all these years.
Oh, please, can we stay? Come on.
Here, Brandy likes it.
What up, boy?
Please, please.
Where'd you
Why
break
don't
it?
I show you what's in your room?
No, we're not staying.
Oh,
I can hear your subtext, Jake. There's no need to shout.
You owe me an apology.
I apologize.
Oh, no.
Say hi, Max.
GTFO.
Right this way, Brandy.
What's up, buddy?
You're so scared of me.
Max, no chewing.
What's up, boy? What up, buddy? Hi.
Ah,
No, stop.
Jake,
Max.
Stop, bud.
changed anything since he left home.
See, look, he's acting like he's pushing it. Look at him, look at him. Can't do it like that because I don't want him to break these tires off.
Guest room.